How Does a Seed Sprout by Eric Carle. The very hungry caterpillar is curious. How does a seed become a tree? Let's find out. Trees make seeds to grow new trees. Oak trees grow their seeds inside of acorns. Then they drop their acorns to the ground. A squirrel sees an acorn and buries it in the dirt. Why? To save it for later. But the squirrel forgets about this acorn. It rains and the acorn gets wet. It cracks open. Inside, the seed starts to grow. A root reaches down into the dirt. Then a green shoot stretches up out of the dirt. More roots grow. What part of the tree grows next? Leaves. Over time, the roots dig down deeper. The bottom of the stem becomes a tree trunk. The tops of the stem have turned into branches. That tiny acorn grew into a mighty oak tree. Now, the very hungry caterpillar knows how a seed turns into a tree, and you do too. The end.